If your Xbox Series X is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Power cycle the console. Turn off your Xbox Series X by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait for at least 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn on the console to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the settings menu on your Xbox. Go to System and then Updates. Check if there are any available updates for your console. If there are, download and install them, then restart the console. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your Xbox and unplug it. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve loading issues by refreshing the system. Step 4. Remove and reinstall the game. If the issue occurs with a specific game, try uninstalling it. Go to My Games and Apps, find the game, press the menu button, and select Uninstall. After that, reinstall the game from your library or the Microsoft Store. Step 5. Reset the console. If none of the previous steps work, consider resetting your console. Go to Settings and System and select Console Info. Choose Reset Console. You can opt for Reset and keep My Games and Apps to preserve your data while resetting the system. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance.